Hello friends and welcome to the architecture enthusiast and to the Farnsworth house, a modernist masterpiece designed by the German-American architect Mies van der Rohe. It is located in Plano, Illinois, USA, and was completed in 1951. The house was commissioned by Dr. EdithFarnsworth, a prominent nephrologist, who wanted a weekend retreat in the countryside. The house is a single-story, steel and glass structure set on a concrete slab. The building is elevated 5 feet above the ground to protect it from potential flooding. The exterior is simple and elegant, with a rectangular floor plan, a flat roof, and floor-to-ceiling glass walls that allow unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape. The glass walls are framed by a minimal steel structure. The house has a total area of 1,500 square feet or 140 square meters. The steel frame of the house is made of prefabricated I-beams and columns which were assembled on site. The roof of the house is flat and covered in a layer of tar and gravel. The house is oriented to face the Fox River, which flows nearby, and has large sliding doors that open onto a terrace facing the river. The terrace is paved with travertine marble. The design of the house is influenced by Mies van der Rohe's earlier projects, such as the Barcelona Pavilion and the Tugendhat House. Mies van der Rohe designed the furniture for the house as well, including a minimalistic built-in seating area in the living room and a custom-made table for the dining area. The house is heated by a radiant floor slab system set into the travertine's concrete setting bed. The house is not air-conditioned. Minimal cooling is provided by cross-ventilation between the two operable windows and the entrance doors. The glass used in the walls is 1/4 inch thick, which provided little to no thermal insulation. The track-mounted, ceiling-hung drapery just inside the glass facade also helped control solar heat gain. The house was not without controversy. Dr. Farnsworth sued Mies van der Rohe for cost overruns and dissatisfaction with the design, which resulted in a public dispute between the two. The house has undergone several restorations over the years to address issues such as water infiltration, which is a common problem with flat-roofed modernist buildings. The house is designed with an innovative, minimalistic approach that emphasizes simplicity and functionality. The use of steel and glass in the structure is also groundbreaking, as it allows for the creation of a completely transparent facade. The floor-to-ceiling glass walls provide unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape and create a seamless connection between the interior and exterior spaces. The raised floor system also elevates the living space above the ground level, creating a sense of floating and enhancing the connection with the landscape. The Farnsworth house has a timeless aesthetic that transcends its era. The simple, elegant lines of the steel frame and glass walls have become iconic symbols of modernist architecture and continue to inspire architects and designers today. The house's minimalistic approach and emphasis on function over decoration also resonate with contemporary design sensibilities. The Farnsworth house is an important example of modernist architecture in the United States and is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The house represents a significant departure from traditional residential design and has had a profound impact on the development of modern architecture. The interior of the house is open and minimalist, with a simple rectangular floor plan. The living space is divided into 2 areas, a main living space and a sleeping area. The living space consists of a single large room that combines the living room, dining room, and kitchen. The sleeping area contains 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. The interior is sparsely furnished with a few iconic modernist pieces, including a Barcelona chair and a Brno chair, both designed by Mies van der Rohe himself. The house has no interior walls, which allows for a flexible use of space and creates a sense of openness and lightness. One of the most striking features of the interior is the use of natural materials. These materials provide a subtle contrast to the steel and glass structure of the house and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The Farnsworth house is a prime example of how modernist architects experimented with new materials and construction methods to create buildings that were efficient, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. Overall, The Farnsworth house is a masterpiece of modernist architecture that embodies Mies van der Rohe's philosophy of less is more.